what was that?
She's still cutting her nails. Someone cutting her nails.
How could you even hear anything? I don't hear anything, I swear.
Mark. Mark.
I know.
I don't have nothing. What are you talking about?
It's a foodie.
I put it on to Foodie. What are you talking about? You took my fucking clipper.
Undo those and put them on foodie.
I put it on to Foodie. I put it on to Foodie. I don't have anything. What is your problem?
You don't have nail clippers.
I don't have. You took them.
Is that what you're having a seizure about right now?
I keep hearing them.
That's because you lost my damn clippers.
She was
Where's my clippers
crushing her gum.
Maybe you feel guilty about losing her shit.
He's paranoid.
You're losing your mind.
Did I give them to you or not?
No, you did not give me my clippers.
How did I lose them?
Because you came over here all mean like a wife beater.
Ow. And I hear my